Okay, hi, my name is Mike Miglito and this is Armand Bayou Nature Center. We have 2,500 acres here in the city of Pasadena. Our Nature Center is the country's largest urban wildlife center. We have hiking trails and we have old farm buildings and old Texas country home built in 1895 that is open on weekends for viewing. We are located near University of Houston Clear Lake, and we have guests that come to enjoy the Nature Center from all over the world.
We had a good time today on the photo hike. We got up at 7:30 in the morning and we started off with the big flat prairie land, and we got to see some of the bison, some of the wildlife out here. It wasn't too hot this morning. Had a good time walking on the nature trails, saw lots of trees and all the nice forested areas. We saw the big Armand Bayou. It's huge. And we also saw the little ponds. Over here we saw some turtles, saw some